Space is vast, really vast. It's a realm so immense that it defies our comprehension, stretching out in all directions, seemingly without end. When we look up at the night sky, we see countless stars. These tiny points of light are just a fraction of the universe's wonders, but what we're really seeing are just our closest neighbors. These stars are part of a much larger cosmic tapestry. These stars, along with our sun, are part of a much larger structure, a galaxy. A galaxy is a massive, gravitationally bound system. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, is just one of billions upon billions of galaxies scattered throughout the universe. Each one is a universe unto itself. Each galaxy is like an island of stars, dust, and gas, separated by unimaginable distances. These islands float in the vast cosmic ocean. And just like islands on Earth, galaxies come in different shapes and sizes, each with its own unique story to tell. Some are spiral, some elliptical, and others irregular. Imagine standing on the shore of a vast cosmic ocean. The night sky above you is a window into the universe's grandeur. Above you stretches a river of light, a shimmering band of stars that seems to flow across the sky. This river is the Milky Way. This is the Milky Way, our home galaxy, seen edge on from our vantage point within it. It's a sight that has inspired awe for generations. For millennia, humans have gazed upon this celestial river, weaving stories and myths around its ethereal glow. It has been a source of wonder and inspiration. Today, we know that the Milky Way is a vast spiral galaxy, a swirling disk of stars, gas, and dust, home to hundreds of billions of stars and countless planets. It is a dynamic and ever-changing structure, a testament to the universe's complexity and beauty. Our sun, a rather ordinary star, resides in one of the Milky Way's spiral arms, specifically in the Orion arm, a minor spiral arm of the galaxy. It's like living in a suburb, far from the bustling city center, where the hustle and bustle of star formation is less intense. The Milky Way's spiral arms are regions of intense star formation, where clouds of gas and dust collapse under their own gravity to ignite new stars. These regions are often referred to as stellar nurseries. These arms, like the graceful curves of a cosmic pinwheel, wind their way outward from a central bulge, creating a mesmerizing pattern. This bulge, a dense spherical region at the heart of the Milky Way, is home to a supermassive black hole, a gravitational monster millions of times the mass of our sun. This black hole is known as Sagittarius A*. The Milky Way is a barred spiral galaxy, which means that its central bulge is elongated, shaped like a bar. This bar structure influences the motion of stars and gas within the galaxy. This bar likely formed early in the galaxy's history, funneling gas and dust inward, fueling star formation and the growth of the central black hole. The process continues to shape the evolution of the galaxy. From the tips of the bar, the spiral arms extend outward, tracing paths through the galaxy's disk, creating a beautiful and complex structure. Our solar system, located about 2/3 of the way out from the center, completes one orbit around the Milky Way every 230 million years. That's one cosmic year, a journey through the vastness of our galaxy. The Milky Way is a giant, even by galactic standards. It's a sprawling collection of stars, planets, and cosmic dust, all bound together by gravity. Its disk spans some 100,000 light-years, a distance so vast it's almost incomprehensible, meaning it would take a beam of light traveling at the fastest speed possible, 100,000 years to cross from one side to the other. Imagine the journey, traversing through countless stars and planetary systems. And that's just the disk. The Milky Way structure is even more complex. Surrounding the disk is a vast halo of stars, gas, and mysterious dark matter, extending even further out into space. This halo is like an invisible shield encompassing the galaxy. Dark matter, invisible to our telescopes, makes up the majority of the Milky Way's mass, a hidden force that shapes the galaxy. Its gravitational pull holding everything together, ensuring the stability of the galaxy. To truly grasp the scale of the Milky Way, it helps to consider that our sun is just one of hundreds of billions of stars within it. Each star, a potential solar system, a potential cradle for life. If each star were the size of a grain of sand, the Milky Way would be like a beach, stretching for thousands of miles. A beach where each grain represents a star, each with its own story. And even within this vast cosmic expanse, stars are not evenly distributed. They form intricate patterns and structures. They cluster together in star clusters, forming tight-knit communities of stars. Vast groups of stars held together by gravity, and in globular clusters, ancient spherical collections of stars that orbit the galactic center, each cluster a relic of the galaxy's formation. As vast as the Milky Way is, it's not alone in our corner of the universe. Our nearest large galactic neighbor is the Andromeda Galaxy, a spiral galaxy located about 2.5 million light-years away. Like the Milky Way, Andromeda is a giant, even larger than our own galaxy, with an estimated 1 trillion stars. It's so bright that it's one of the few galaxies visible to the naked eye from Earth, appearing as a faint fuzzy patch in the constellation Andromeda. Interestingly, while most galaxies are moving away from each other due to the expansion of the universe, the Milky Way and Andromeda are on a collision course. Don't worry though, this cosmic clash won't happen for another 4 billion years. When it does, the two galaxies will slowly merge over billions of years, eventually forming a single giant elliptical galaxy. The Milky Way and Andromeda are just two members of a small group of galaxies known as the Local Group. This group, spanning about 10 million light-years, contains over 50 galaxies. Most of them dwarf galaxies, much smaller than the Milky Way or Andromeda. Beyond the Local Group lies a vast expanse of space teeming with billions upon billions of other galaxies, each a swirling island of stars, gas, and dust. Galaxies come in a variety of shapes and sizes. There are spiral galaxies like our own, with their graceful arms and central bulges. There are elliptical galaxies, smooth and oval-shaped, often found in the centers of galaxy clusters. And there are irregular galaxies lacking a defined shape, often the result of galactic collisions or interactions. Galactic collisions, while seemingly destructive, are actually essential for galaxy evolution. When galaxies collide, they don't simply crash into each other. Instead, their gravitational fields interact, distorting their shapes, triggering bursts of star formation, and even flinging stars out into intergalactic space. Over billions of years, these collisions can reshape galaxies, transforming spirals into ellipticals and creating new generations of stars. The Milky Way itself bears the scars of past galactic encounters. Streams of stars, ripped from smaller galaxies, orbit our own, remnants of long-ago collisions. And in the distant future, our galaxy will undergo its most dramatic transformation yet, when it merges with Andromeda, forever altering the cosmic landscape of our local corner of the universe. Studying galaxies allows us to peer back in time, to understand the universe's evolution from the Big Bang to the present day. By observing galaxies at different distances, we can see how they've changed over billions of years, providing clues about the processes that drive galaxy formation and evolution. And by studying the properties of galaxies such as their shapes, sizes, and compositions, we can learn about the fundamental laws of physics that govern the universe on its grandest scales. Each galaxy is a vast, cosmic laboratory, a crucible where stars are born, live and die, where black holes lurk at the centers, and where dark matter exerts its invisible influence. By exploring these islands of stars, we embark on a journey of cosmic discovery, unraveling the mysteries of the universe and our place within it.